Wait, my baby's head.
Oh!
There goes a bear.
We just pulled up to the Starbucks. Nobody's here yet, but it's also 1:16 in the morning, so.
Crowd control, the store will be open, and you are, there is no limit. So it is first come, first serve, so please be respectful of each other, okay? Thank you, the store is now open. All right, please leave a path to get to the register.
Wait, my baby's head.
Oh!
There goes a bear.
Seriously.
Get in here. Bro, I'm so happy.